Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mama and Tata.
Thank you all for subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. If you have seen me recently, I changed my hair into natural braids. And with the very many products we have at home, Tata invited me to his lavish home-based salon. Oh yeah! Yeah, that is me greeting him, greeting the salon man who's going to attend to me. He made me test the water. I tested it. It was at the perfect temperature. Yes, and just enjoy the process.
For this process, I started by moisturizing the hair with a bit of lukewarm water. I had my shampoo, my treatment, and my other products ready. I used Jamaican mango for the treatment and then Jamaican mango again while I'm doing the twisting. I do not use wax most of the times because wax builds up.
In the salon.
Just want to come to the salon. Hey, you come and see. Come and we see you in the salon. You enter salon.
You come. Maisha, you come.
You come and tell us.
Say hello. Say hello. Hi. Say hi.
Maisha, you don't know how to talk. Yeah? You come and say hi.
Okay, now that come and say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
Thank you for watching.
I'm from doing my hair.
And then my hair.
We can't see the hair. You show us the hair. Show us. Turn. Okay, you go back and leave money in the salon.
As usual, my handbags are always ready. tell daddy. You tell daddy.